Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Nita from Brawl Stars. Let's get started at the top of our page with the bear's nose. So I'm going to start in the center with a curve, almost like a U shape, coming down in the middle and then back up. Now on the ends we're going to curve this out and then down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with almost like a half circle, going around to the top of the nose, back down on the right side. Let's go ahead and fill the nose in black. Now from the center of the nose at the bottom, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the muzzle. Now from here we're going to curve around and then back in towards the top side of the nose. So we're going to curve down, around up the side of the muzzle, and we'll just pull that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, we're going to curve down, round up the side, and pull that in towards the right side of the nose. Now at the bottom side of the muzzle, we're going to curve out the side of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving out and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with the bottom of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve all the way down towards the bottom and then pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the muzzle. So we're going to start on the side of the head here, curve down, just going to pull that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, curve down towards the bottom of the eye, and then out towards the side. Now I'm going to add a shadow line going across the face. Starting from this point here, we're going to curve up in the middle, just underneath the eyes, and then back down on the right side. We're going to fill this entire area in black. Now right in the center, we're going to step down underneath the shadow. We're going to draw the nose. Starting from the left, curve down, and then back up on the right. Now we're going to step down and add the mouth. So we're going to angle the mouth out towards the right. Starting on the bottom left here, we're going to angle up towards the right side. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a half circle. Starting on the left, curve down, and then back up. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting from the left corner of the mouth, curve across and then up. Then we're going to add a fang. We're going to angle down. I'm going to pull this all the way up towards the top of the mouth. We're going to fill the bottom area of the mouth in black. Now let's move up to the top and add 2 stitch lines going across. So in the center, we're going to draw 2 lines. One across the middle, we'll step up and draw that same line. Now we're going to close off the left side with a curve, almost like a C. We'll do the opposite on the right side. Now we're going to step up and do the same thing. Let's add 1 more stitch, close off the left, and then the right side. We're going to fill these both in black. Now we're going to step up above this stitch line right up here and draw a straight line coming down towards the top of the nose. Now from here we're going to draw on the top of the head coming down towards the jaw. So let's start at the top here. We're going to curve around. It's almost like drawing a large circle. Come down the left side. Now I'm just going to tuck this in underneath the head on the left. Let's go back to the top and do the same thing on the right. Curve around, round up the side of the head. I'm just going to pull this in just underneath the head on the right side. Now we're going to move to the side and draw 2 thick X's for the eyes. So we start on the left, right here, and we're going to start with a point. From this point we're going to angle up to the left, and then the right. Let's round out the ends, and then pull them back in. Now we want to take that and flip it over along the bottom. So taking this point, we're going to angle out toward the left and then the right. Round up the end, and we'll come up towards the center. Let's go ahead and fill the eye in black. Now we're going to draw the same thing over on the right side. So let's start with that center point. We're going to line this up, angle up and out towards the left, and then the right. Round out the ends, and then pull them back in. Now we're going to reverse this, coming down and out, and coming up towards the center. Again, let's go ahead and fill this all in black. Now let's draw two large ears on the side. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle. Going out, and then back in towards the side of the head. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line up the top, curve up, round it out, and then pull that back in. So now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the large bear paws first. So on the left side, underneath the head, we're going to draw a half oval. Starting out here, we're going to curve down, and then back up. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to do the same thing on the right. Curving down to the same height, and then back up underneath the head. Let's draw on the sides of the body. At the bottom of the curve of the paw, we're going to curve out and down towards the hip. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now I'm going to step up and draw that same curve going across. Now we're going to add that large bear paw necklace in the center. So right here on the right side, start with a circle. Now I'm going to stack two more circles in behind. Starting up here, we're going to curve around, back in. We'll do that one more time. Now let's add the bottom of the paw. Starting on the left side, curve down, and then back up on the right. Now I'm going to draw two straps going up in behind the paw. Starting up here, we're going to angle down, step in, draw that same angled line. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction on the right, going up and out. Now we're going to add the top edge of the shirt going in behind the strap. Starting underneath the chin, curve down, in behind, we'll continue over on the right side. Now we're going to continue working down with the skirt. On the left hip, we're going to curve out and down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Starting from the left, we'll curve down the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's add a trim. In the center, we're going to start with a point. We're going to angle up and out towards the left with a straight line. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now at the bottom of the skirt, we're going to leave a gap in the center. On the left side, we're going to curve out and down towards the left heel, and then the right heel. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, we'll curve down and up towards the toe on both sides. Now from the toe, I'm going to draw a curve going up and then in. The same thing on the right. Now I'm going to pull this up underneath the skirt. Starting from here, we're going to curve out and then up, leaving a little overlap on the end. Now let's add the edge of the boot. From the ankle, we're going to step up, curve down and up towards the inside of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to draw a wrinkle across the top of the foot. From here, I'm just going to curve in and down. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the arms. So about halfway down the side of the body, start by curving out and down towards the wrist. Now back on the left side, let's add in the thumb. We'll start with a small half circle, and at the end of the circle, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll curve down and go up around that bracket. Now we're going to add 2 more fingers along the side. We step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now on the side of the second finger, we're going to curve out. I'm just going to pull this in behind the bear paw. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with the half circle for the thumb, and then a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb will curve down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up. Now the third finger is going to go all the way around and then in behind the bear paw. Now the last thing we're going to do is add some claws at the bottom of the bear paw. We're going to start with the inside, curve down and in, and we'll taper that back up. Let's move to the outside of the arm, curve down and in, and then back up. We'll draw one more on the outside, curving out and down, and then pulling that in. We're going to fill the claws in black. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting with the inside, going to the outside of the body, and then we'll go further out, go out and down, and then we'll fill those claws in black. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Nita from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.